Hi friends, today we will discuss the security items in the bank. So what are these items will be called as security items means savings passbooks which are not issued to the customer, checkbooks, unissued checkbooks, paid bar cashier order, demand draft, debit cards, fixed deposits, all these items are called as security items. All these security items in joint custody means all these items will be operated and maintained by more than one person of the bank. Yes, for every security item, for checkbooks, debit cards, passbook, separate ledger will be maintained. In that you have to enter the date, what is the opening quantity, what is out means how many you are given to the customers, in means if you ordered from the printer or head office, you have received any stationery, then it will be in, then closing balance and who is operating and maintaining, employee name, signature, everything should be entered into the register. So distribution, so you have passbooks, you are given to the different customers, so you have to write it in the register. So what is the security item number, from whom you have issued, which customer you have issued, and his signature, everything should enter in the register, then only security item will be handed over to the customer. And how to destruction, for example, maybe because of some logo change, bank mergers, or a technology change, for example normal clearing to CTS, then new checks should be issued. So in those scenarios, whatever the security items left over in the branch should be sent back to head office or regional office. Otherwise, if you get a instructions for the destruction, then you can, as per the policy, it may change from bank to bank, organization to organization. You have to enter all the details of the security item, whether you have to cut it or you have to burn it, everything will be mentioned in your disposable policy. As per your policy, you should destruct, and you have to maintain the serial numbers also in the register. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.